Eti concern assemony nam from memo Bimbo Adomoye ne one ya de man Ghana TV stations a omo yi ne movies. All catch him say on pesa de no. Omo nyae no. Onim say as sparking whole of the conversations. E wo Ghana social media mountain so. Na enumu no ana Arnold Baidoo, Vida Adutwumwaa, any Don Papa Don D. Omo nyina abe add omo voices to that. No omo nyina no. Obi aba be fire Ghana TV stations no omo yes ad. Any Ghana for a mo attack Bimbo Adomoye say as small can onya ro kan kwasem. Arnold Baidoo e message e ma mo nyina. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video that one subscribe to me click the notification icon for latest updates. Na ba chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section. Mesra so basra. Na she video ma nya so enya bi ahwe. It's last week and Bimbo Adomoye, Nigerian actress. Oba media na so obe ordinance meto we are nyina anim. E say yen ka bi ma no. If we say what the night of man say you what TV stations for Ghana hanu a omu twinidi ono na boka akoye movie akotwa movie aba no o post it to YouTube or na these channels o massive in less than 2 hours na omu show no television or TV stations so that I say free of charge without even consulting her free and I say because of that no tin ton time omu enya nyesare what we see omu no there or the family class and I do it by na social media be react to that Ghana for ndi be wo mu chiri wa nzu masa ja do kaka kala ja do kaka movie papa ben na wo bimbo kra we na one month ye hwe kakra o what say watch you and beside they are even giving free promotions I wasn't calculating to ahoka you a free promotion but Bimbo says whether free promotion or not munyai.
Then you now proceed to be evil and upload my film on your channel without my consent. I spent millions of naira making this movie. That TV station in Ghana, I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you the permission to. I don't even want, before I was even like, well, let's talk to me. Let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up.
Simple and titia, munyai. Mamu movie, munyai. And one no. But concerning Smana Ghana for Ayɛka no. Any be attack, any defense, a bit as opposed to as small can and one because Unity TV, Daily TV, Pemsan TV, Movement TV, any other TV channels from there. Sa no motia. There be a Nigerian movie so omu any airtime also mujai. It's not a bimo as support Bimbo Adomoye, but not do not so na air fire. Na any no ana Arnold Baidoo, Vida Adutwumwaa, any Don Papa Don D. Obu you be abe adding a submission to that. Na you go to once emra.
Copyright, piracy, issues international canker.
International.
Inti say asemamba na ye come so where to Ayɛka. Because piracy a international problem. Copyright infringement a international problem. It is an issue we have that even the whole world but see ye basic kwanya say ye basic kunya ni aka. It has to be done. Don't be disappointing, Kakra. On this platform, they say social media coming to rant, to make a complaint, to project a certain problem. Now, social media are problematic. How? What? I mean, you social media not to me gain results. Now they na obi if you say or problem. See, almost 80 to 70% of year we are mobile phone, social media. One year that it's a big problem about social media. Why should anybody have a problem with that? Why? Again, the two social media and patch results. Maybe responses. No,
oh, there be so many
responses. Minister, the whole minister of communication are responding. The whole CEO, executive secretary of NFA are responding.
UTV,
biggest platform. So there have been some results. After I say a PR gimmick. Now, numbers are plummeted. That is not true. You see, it is not. True. When we do that, I say, yeah, rubbish or more hard work. And let's be fair.
You see, our first says a wrong thing for anybody to parry to be seen.
No,
but or family.
Original third from Pachayenko.
esa o tutu momo ne hye me.
Oh, any Kobe kwa na beto no mo. Yes, you see, when you do that or when you make that impression, you are rubbishing the level of hard work or the production and the marketing. Yes, omoni. Sa rants or be na say last year mo be and man numbers. That's not a couple of months ago. Sa Odogu movie one rante. But it was highly patronized.
Yes.
She didn't come and accuse Ghanaians of anything. She didn't rant. But that movie was there. The friends and the numbers are there. But or the Ghana for the APR stand to get this numbers.
And they answer.
Again, let's even assume Empress me try me movie. But there are a lot of resources ashim. Obi area. Guess what? I'm still promoting that movie. Now me ba be address obi a area me movie now. It's a come share yata dey na me metna come
Shefugu.
No, I am still marketing my movie.
Ebi kwa no was set, so how would you know?
No, we.
It goes to confirm what you're
No, the point is I'm still marketing. It's still on YouTube. I'm monetizing. Now me ba be address obi area. What say as a marketer now me marketing movie that no. Me share yata dey. Now me team so be. Of course I have to wear the movie no with. What's wrong with that? I feel you say disrespect to the president. But not Zigabe say koho but mama nanko. Empress, president na omoni target no. Anya disrespectful. It may sound or seem so, but technically
it is disrespectful.
It's not.
Technically she is right. Because your copyright laws no president no and they are responsible. That's where the guy wanted to go. He is responsible for copyright.
That's so.
Yes, he's a custodian. He is there and or share copyright on our behalf. And it is in the law. I'll read it for you. Copyright Law Act 690
Section 5.
2005. Yes. No, Section 3.
No, you go to the 5. Go to the 5.
Oh, you are not 5. Man, can it 3.
Let me start with 3. The government and international body copyright. The copyright of work shall vest in the president on behalf of and in trust for the people of the republic. So technically, president is responsible for copyright. Anything that president, minister of justice, auditor general, now perform to the copyright office. It is if the person technically not target president on your bonnet.
I don't want target on also president.
Technically on your bonnet, because it gives you the impression of onim the oil.
Onim.
I don't care. Me all I know is it is embedded. It is enshrined in the law. The president no and are responsible. So once what target president no on the bonnet there. My only problem with the ladies no and as by that kind, by coming to social media to express her because I have a problem. You see, lady maybe they'll be kind of last year, Ruth Kadiri became the same thing. You not confirm say you're not correct. Omoni became the same thing. You confirm say you're not correct. Bimbo became you confirm say you're not correct. So why are we playing around as if say, "Oma be bring you kumu biama"? Yeah, you're my dear or Ghana. I don't really care if it is going out around the world. But the man who has seen and we need to fix it. We need to fix it. The only way Kakana and Kaisa Omodeka is follow up. Because so be was social media. But there must be a certain follow up. Come here. They are dealing with the right authority. They should not just sit there. Social media will get you to a certain point. Because guess what? Sanka Ruth Kadiri a year in the company last year. NAB will take it 1 or 2 to quarter. Akabills and action because. But they didn't know and not die. Omonis be they know and not tijai. Waste be they know. Although we are getting, but they should omunya follow up. No, but nobody under no circumstances anybody rubbish what they are doing.
It's stressful, yeah.
Because it is frustrating to inject resources and funding into a certain project. Now, Obiakofa, and I make quite entertainment journalist. See a short article, no uncle for fun, Because to actually set the meeting game me cracking the brains to put A, B, C, D together. No, we read article no be a fact. That's on the website.
Yeah.
The same way.
Without credit card.
Without
No.
Yes. It's no share.
Africa, for instance, no, you shouldn't book copyright.
Yeah, sheda.
Oh, really? I mean,
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Because I will change you, Papa.
Oh, Mr. Africans.
Okay. Okay.
Like Ghana, Africa. You shouldn't book copyright, sir. Only me for a same way go D. Investor studio in America. And a Wonderland in Africa. You can't do that. In America, you can't do that. So what is the issue then? She rightly mentioned, yes, of course, institutions are there to implement laws. What do I say? But there's one thing to affect the capacity building, right? The other institutions are more into the limelight with little knowledge of the industry. Again, Ghana, how many people really do understand copyright? How many people do really understand copyright? So institutions now indicate you more. How are they going to know? What do I say? So I mean, to me, I feel say they are just doing the right thing by building the capacity of individuals. But that being said, that also doesn't mean say for they shouldn't take them on. Because you have to set the pace. So be here and 1 year and just say don't do anything about it. Yeah, you should hit the ground running. If there are other things that you can do for now to start the agenda now, start it. But it still doesn't mean they don't build the capacity of other people who need capacity building. What I say, because that's one thing. The vindictiveness in this is not really going to help. Then you are going to collapse a lot of businesses. We understand, sir. We understand very well, sir. Sorry, Tree. Yes, sir. Obi ejuma na wakoye. Ampa. And so nobody say obi ejuma no. I say emra o why say emra no edini dia emra ni. But also say like what are laws for? Laws are only not for we don't really have the penal system. We have reformative the laws have to reform, right? Not to only punish. So some of the laws are to reform. So say a reformation. It's just right say reformation. What must I say? So I don't think say personally when I saw it, but I didn't really follow it. But before I showing it, I'm like this the Olaka, you know. Listen, Arnold Kada, there's nothing like bad news. Oh yeah. There's nothing like bad news. There's nothing like bad news. Okay. Say bad news about anything that can happen. And that is what is trending. If there's something good she said, I don't think that's going to trend. So human beings, we feed on bad news. And that's what is happening. So of course, Ghana, I didn't see any can want them. Yes, Jawa can want them. So yeah, of course. I mean, say what fast word Eddie at the movie. Hey. She won.
She won.
Period. She won. Because you can't want them. If we had paid attention to the other Ghanaian movies, and they go for a movie, they can't want them to see a station as well. They will go and watch the person's movie on YouTube. But I don't need anybody. I say, when we actually have to talk about our own, that's our problem. That's our problem. It still doesn't mean say it is right, say a movie. I invested the Sika a woman. No, it's wrong. That is totally wrong. But the girl won at the end of the day. Ola, what's how many views?
I said let me check it out above 5 million.
Maybe
in a week.
It does.
Because me na me de me ho na me twa me movie. And na me ho so obi di kwan bone so yi sa movie no. Me buafu ho na me kasa. Yes, it didn't na say me bo Ghana din because Ghana your mind konkron. Minti ase because what faculty kwan so na wuyi movie no. Yet ya empress one hwe ya wan kasa wonyom watch me obi beton ama wo traffic me.
Oh.
we make share and you pay 200 negus so no the for so set to and ubeton 10 cedis 15 cedis kitty be sasika no so no enko bottom and we sit on TV and make excuses for thievery so be a bokro no pa na ye excuse a man say oh krono we dey esefata nkofo ria brode ria ponchi ya jeli wo mo
ampa
eti e ba na ejuma we ya sometimes we take a lot of things for granted say wow the wadwini say sa de na de ato apawa so na obi akoton ni cheap yeti ya say eni kwan say e was a girl no osanfa plane ba president Mahama ho e was so ba and I don't side with the fact say or apologize say because Empress, yaka piracy about time yenya a holistic national approach to dealing with the problem. And if that is the case, it was so ultimately betia mampeni na so said this is what is going on. Yes, so AD yenya. A honum na mampeni befa phone Africa free, seka free. A same way dear. Me akasa kra me ni die trentino. Kosoa na ye hu bibi ma me nefa hu report ebetu me table so enti so otagi mampeni I don't see the disrespect in this ye movie for piracy ne edidi ye ma abeda ne habit from some line nebu some say denti na sini djuma na kofom obeka cho say Jacob tu no personality cult Jacob nti obeka say telenovela na ya dabi chi atoso nti obeka just say doom sokra ka hu bi na movie na perform meanwhile we forget say ye nama ye share traffic kwai sokra no they are selling it in our faces and I so endemic a boy ryan out to the extent say afraid they are any promotional tool and this is the more reason why the president should step in because here can there's a whole Black Star line it's a Black Star eba there is a special focus on the arts so what stops the president from getting involved in an issue like this na yen clean yen deli asem wen fan ko see awieye because yatina num say sa ya yes piracy na ye ton nyom ye ton movies ye to nyankopon movie cry pirate ni good traffic CD so ni pen drive so na ye ton so I don't know why the lady Omoni no obe apologize for tagging a president on a national canker to say I don't know no it's about time I also a whole national because it's Ayɛka education. The real brother na yachi na tu. Now see come na din no far brother no. I don't know why educating say come do there to brother na din na go free. So if somebody has stolen or been intellectual property, enya fe ne beto anansesem jail the person.
Mutie.
It's as simple as that. Jail the person. Because people have been jailed for less. You educating one say see an Ghana for now ukochi omo gudan back no wakasa education na momana. So I don't blame the ladies for coming out. So Ghana for na ISO endemic inti enfam ho omo they have every right to talk about it and take a national approach and CEO Tihanum say no. So she should go back and tag the president again. Owadaji ombra betina Ghana an kan wasem
and I want to get copyright for office and I say
president fair obayen in term because on my penny the juma show sir ube his team because you understand no there is no disrespect in what is happening China we can't make excuses for this level of thievery any longer so I don't see why she should apologize. It's about time I Penyah and national approach. So Kafui, the education I don't side with it. Crack them.
You don't like for them.
No, crack it because baku the baku scapegoat. And trust to baku me sa. And no be sink it down into the Ghanaian mind in terms and say ube free kuna when you say education kwa yo crusade say and say you kwa yo town council bia how is education you get it it's no please it's either you work or you don't some bought and kofochi say 8 years one I'm telling you sir education will be lullaby in their ears so crack their whip yenkuyanim.
So when in somewhere omunyina no biaka ayeze omunyina obia fire Ghana TV channels nyina say Adomoye aye piracy copyright infringement ana moye obi sweat ana mudi di hu free etane munyai enya sa na so no famla kwanso dia mo a mu chichileche kyerɛ wadwe ma me e wo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Akra.